If you love really crispy and crunchy snacks, potato chips, plantain chips, anything crunchy, then you definitely love these crispy snacks that's made with very minimal ingredients that's right there in your kitchen. So delicious, so addictive, and you can eat a whole bowl without even realizing it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me show you how to make this yummy goodness. To a bowl, go in with 2 cups of sifted flour, add half a teaspoon of salt, mix this all properly. If you want it a bit salty, you can go in with a bit more salt, mix properly, then go in with 2 tablespoons of unflavored vegetable oil. Use your hands, go in and mix this properly. Mix, then make a little well in the middle, then you go in with your water. In this cup I have 1 cup of water, but I'll go in with the water little by little. You don't want to add the water all at once. Can you see? I'm adding little by little. So you don't want it to be too runny. So make sure to add your water bit by bit, okay? Our dough is coming together, but it needs a bit more water. So I went in with some more water and kept kneading. Mix this to come together. Then you're going to knead this for about a minute or 2. Go on and knead this till it all comes together, till you have something like this. So at this point we're done. Your dough shouldn't be too firm and it shouldn't be too sticky. Can you see? It's almost sticky, but it's not sticky. When you press down, it should bounce back like this. So I'll just place it back in the bowl. I'll cover this and let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. Just keep it aside. So this is 15 minutes later, and can you see our dough? It's gotten softer and stretchier. Can you see how soft and stretchy it is? This is what yours should look like after 15 minutes, okay? So I'm just going to form a round shape. I'm going to make it round like this. So I'm just going to roll this on my worktop into this long log like shape. Then I'll go on and cut. Try to get it to be as equal as possible. So I have 4 pieces here. I'll take 3 and keep it aside. I'll cover it so it will still be soft, and I'll flour my work surface, flour the dough so it doesn't stick, and then I'll go on and roll. You're going to need patience for this step. You're going to get ready for this step because it's not an easy step. You're going to need to do some arm workout. So roll this flat just like this. You're going to roll it as flat as possible. The flatter it is, the crispier and crunchier you can get it. So go on and roll this really flat. So here I just added some flour, and then I'll add this in so it doesn't stick. Okay, I'll sprinkle a bit more flour because I'm going to roll the remaining ones, and I'll place it on top. So here are the remaining 3. I'll just take 1, I'll cover the rest. So I noticed it's not smooth enough, so I'm going to roll this into a ball. I'm going to smoothen this and make it into a round shape, so it's going to be easier for me to roll and it's going to be really smooth. So I added some more flour, placed the dough in and added flour so it doesn't stick, and I'll just repeat the process. Roll this into a very thin round dough. Roll it very thin like this. It should be very thin like this, just like the samosa wraps, okay? So I'll go on and place the other one on like this, and that's basically what I'm going to be doing. I'll keep rolling and keep placing on top of each other till I'm done with the 4 cut dough. So I'm done now. I'll just take one like this. I'll trim off the sides. I want a square shape, so I'll trim off just like this. Mind you, don't throw this excess away because this is basically your dough, and you can just fry it also. You don't need to throw anything away. So I'll go on and cut. You can cut this into whatever shape and size that you want, but I like to cut mine in squares just like this because my kids love it this way. So this is it. You see, if you add enough flour, it's not supposed to stick. Can you see? It's not sticking at all. I added some flour to my tray, and then I added everything in, and I'll just keep on repeating the process. this is the second dough. I'll just flatten this up a bit because I noticed that it shrunk a little, and then I'll just repeat the process, trim off so that it looks more beautiful and neater. Then I'll go on and cut. That's basically what you're going to be doing. You're going to keep repeating the process till you exhaust everything. Guys, I just wanted to say thank you all so much for watching my videos, for liking, for subscribing to my channel, for sharing my videos, and for leaving me comments. The likes, the comments motivates me to even do better. Thank you all so much. I really appreciate you. So if there's any videos you want me to make, any recipe, please leave it down in the comments and I might just do that for you. Thank you all so much. I really appreciate you. So we're done with everything, and this is what it looks like. So I heated some oil up. I added some onions to flavor the oil. It's well fried and I'll just take it out. Our oil is hot now, so go on and place it in. Don't overcrowd your pan. Just make sure you put enough and not too much. You don't want it to soak up so much oil. Stir within intervals so that it can fry evenly, like both sides will be all brown together. And when it's all fried and well browned to your preference, then you can go on and take it all out of the oil. As you take it out, make sure to place it in a paper towel to extract any excess oil so it doesn't end up being too oily. So go on ahead and repeat the process with the rest. So fam, if you've watched till this point, it means that you like this video. So kindly like this video, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to this channel so that anytime I post any recipe, you get to see it. Also share this video to people that you feel might benefit from it. I'd also like to know where you're watching from, so kindly leave that in the comments below. You can serve this with some syrup, some sugar syrup, or you can even add this to your salad, and it's so good. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next one.